Hi guys, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to get Roblox voice chat. Let's start this tutorial by opening a browser on your computer. Next, search for the Roblox website and log into your account. In the Roblox page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings page, you need to first verify your phone number or your email address, as the voice chat feature only works for those accounts that are fully verified. Simply enter your phone or email address and enter the verification code that will be sent to you. Once your account is verified, then go over to Privacy and Content Maturity on the left side part. Click on the Communication section. Now, open the voice chat option. In here, simply toggle on the button beside the Enable microphone. Now you can use this to chat with voice when you're playing a game. For example, I am currently in a game, then go over to the top left corner and look for the microphone icon. Simply click on it to turn it on, and then you'll see that you can now chat with other players in the game using your voice. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them below. Thank you so much!